Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix secondary verification in Binance. So the first thing that you're going to do is open up your Google Chrome or any internet browser you often use, and then try to open the Binance official website. So click this link right here, and you need to sign in your Gmail account. Now right here, as you can see the dashboard, now to fix the verification, need to go here on security option. So click on the security button right here at the left side of your screen. And then you will be directly go on this page. So you can see the two-factor authentication. Now as you can see on my end, I have three authentication, the authenticator app, email, and then the phone number. Now, if something here needs to fix, you need to click on the manage button right here at the right side of your screen. So you can see here, I have three manage button. So you just need to click one of those. So for example, this authenticator app. So click on manage button, and then you will go on the next page. As you can see here. Now just click on this trash icon here. And then as you can see, are you sure you want to remove this authenticator app? So you just need to click on continue button. Now an option here shows up, and here you need to enter the code that's sent to your authenticator app. Now right here, as you can see, it will automatically disable this authenticator app right here. So you can try to do it to all of the secondary verification. Then it should fix the problem right here. Now you can always enable all of the secondary verification here. So that's how you basically fix secondary verification in Binance. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.